As we proceed with Lockdown 4.0 and India starts getting back to their work in public places, hygiene still remains the main form of concern for all. MRO Infra saw a great opportunity in this time to solve the problem of the masses, and we are glad to announce the launch of MRO 9988, an automatic liquid hand sanitizing dispenser. The touch-free solution releases liquid sanitizer onto your hand, keeping the whole process of sanitization really effective and safe. Also, we take pride to announce that this product is proudly made in India. Key features of MRO 9988 are: it is touch-free, easy to load, sensor-based, avoids cross-contamination, has a capacity of 8 liters, releases 2 milliliters of liquid per second using gravity flow, reduces wastage volume by 70%. It is zero maintenance and operates using a 220-volt power supply. It is ideal for a lot of places such as offices, factories, banks, ATMs, hospitals, hotels, educational institutes, restaurants, bus and railway stations, airports, multiplexes and residential towers. For inquiry or placing an order, drop us a mail at sales@mroinfra.com or coordinator@mroinfra.com. We appreciate your valuable time. Thank you.